Welcome to Learn a Lot. In this video, we will install and configure Learnpress in Wordpress. Learnpress is a comprehensive learning management system for WordPress. Using this plugin, we can create and sell online courses from our own website. First, we will log into the admin panel, that is your website/wp-admin, and typing our admin username and password. Go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Type Learnpress in search box and press Enter. Install Learnpress plugin and activate it. Click on Run Setup Wizard. In Currency tab, we can change the currency details. In Static Pages tab, we have to select the necessary pages. What is the course page, profile page, checkout pages. If the pages are not created, then just click on Here button to create the pages automatically. Click on Continue. In Payment tab, if we want to sell the course, then we will select the checkbox and type the PayPal account details. If it is for testing, we will give Sandbox account details. Next, Emails tab. We will enable emails by selecting the Enable Email checkbox. Click on Continue to Finish tab. Click on Back to the dashboard. Now we are able to see the Learnpress in the menu. It had child menu with course, lessons, quizzes, questions, orders, statistics, add-ons, settings and tools. Click on Courses. Click Add New. Type the course name and enter the description of the course. In Curriculum section, we have to type the curriculum of the course. For example, our curriculum of this course has 1 week, and in that week we have 2 lessons and 1 quiz. We'll create it in Curriculum section of this course. Book icon means we are creating a lesson, and clock icon means we are creating a quiz. Now I will create 2 lessons and 1 quiz. We'll add the content of the lesson by clicking Edit icon next to the course name. It will open a new tab in your browser with the lesson title. We can add the content to the course, like we add images and text in the WordPress post. Scroll down to the lesson settings. Here we can change the duration of this course. If it is a preview lesson, then we will select the checkbox. Preview lesson in the sense the user can view the content of the lesson before enrolling the course, like a sample lesson for the course. I am disallowing the comments for my lesson by unchecking the checkbox. Click on Update button. Close the window. Same as lesson 1, we'll create some content in lesson 2 also. Now coming to quiz, click on Edit Quiz icon. It will open a tab in your browser. There is 3 types of questions available in Learnpress: true or false, multi-choice, and single choice. We'll create our first true or false question by typing the question name and selecting the type of the question. We will select the correct answer of the question here. Click on Edit icon to add some images or text to the question. You can add images and text to the question. Scroll down to Settings. Here we can provide marks for this question, an explanation of the question, and hint for the question. Like the same way, we'll create a second question as a single choice type. We'll fill all the multiple choice and select the correct answer. Scroll down to General Settings of the quiz. There is pagination question. It will show the list of questions while doing the quiz as ordered number. Review questions. It will allow the students to review the question after completing the quiz. If you enable the review questions, then show correct answer checkbox will be shown. Duration of the quiz. You can give in minutes, hours, days and weeks. We can give minus points for wrong answered question and we can skip some question from the minus points. We can provide the passing grade. And retake. How many times the student or the user can take the quiz. If you want to disable retake, then leave it as a 0. Here you can give access to check the answers by the students or the users during the quiz. That will be in the number of times the user can utilize this feature. And the same way, there is a hint box. There we can give the number of times the student or the user can view the hint of the question. Update the quiz and close the tab. In course page, we have done creating lessons and quiz. Scroll down to course settings. We will give duration of this course. We can block the course once the duration expires. We can give maximum students to enroll for this course. We can change the enrolled student number here that will be displayed in the course page. We can enable here the user can retake the course in number of times. We can enable this checkbox to enable the course as a feature. We can box some of the content to not to be visible to the users after completing the course. In assessment section, we can evaluate course results using multiple scenarios via lessons, via results, via quizzes, via questions and via marks. We can give passing condition value. In pricing section, we can type the course price here and we can give sales price of this course. If you check select no requirement enroll, then the course will not ask user to enroll and the content will be visible to the public. There is review logs section. We have to install a plugin called Learnpress course review that will enable the students to provide reviews and ratings for the completed course. And this is the author of this course. Now come to the course category section. We can select or create a category where the course will be placed. Scroll down to featured image section. There you have to select the course thumbnail. Now click on publish button. Click on preview changes to check our newly created course. Here we can hide this information by adding some of the code in appearance, customize and additional CSS. Code given in the description. Refresh the page. Now we hide the data. We can see the lessons and we can start the quiz. Now we'll upload a good looking theme here by going to appearance, themes and add new theme. I already downloaded a theme called Educational LMS. I will use that theme. Now come to the settings of the WordPress and click on permalinks and select post name and click on save. Now I will activate my theme by going to appearance and themes. Now our new theme activated. Now we will create a home page for our LMS website. First I will install the plugin called Elementor. It's very good and easy to use editor for WordPress. I will design a simple home page. Here I will add a widget called Featured Courses. The course is showing as free and I will add some amount to my course. Okay. Now I will enroll this course. You have to provide login information here, but we have not registered and there is no registration button showing here. Now we will show the registration button here by going to the settings of the WordPress admin panel, and in general settings we will enable anyone can register checkbox. Now return to our course in the browser and refresh the page. Now we have registered account option is available. We will register our new account as a student registering in our WordPress website. We will log in as a student, but we have no button to buy this course. Now go back to the admin panel of the WordPress. In Learnpress menu, click on Settings. There is a Payment tab, click on that. Scroll down to Payment section. There you have to enable the default payment gateway as PayPal by clicking on the gray icon that will change to blue color as it is enabled now. Now click on the PayPal link on left side. There you have to type the PayPal enabled email. If you are doing for a test run, then select the sandbox mode and give sandbox test email ID. Click on Save Setting. Now once again we will come to our course checkout page. Refresh the page. Now we can able to buy the course using PayPal. Now we will check all the menu items in Learnpress. Courses. In courses page, we can see how many courses we have created and each course how many lessons and quizzes and how many students are enrolled for the course and what category the course is added and the price of the course. In category tab, we can see the categories and the count of the course under the category. In lessons, we can see the lessons we have created and the course where the lessons are added. We can enable preview here to preview the lesson. In quizzes, we can see the quiz names and how many questions are in the quiz and the course where the quiz is located. Questions. It's a question bank. We can see all the questions we have created in Learnpress and the questions we have added in which quiz and the type of the question. In order, we can see the total order details of our courses and the payment related details. Statistics. We can see the statistics by general, user-wise, course-wise and order-wise. In add-ons, we can see the installed add-ons and themes here, and we can add more add-on like certifications, assignments and adding WooCommerce to our course. We can get themes here. In Tools, there is a Template tab, Database tab, where we can install sample data and repair the database, upgrade database to the latest version, or remove the current data. This will remove all course lessons and quizzes and questions, and there is an option to remove outdated data. On Course tab, we can reset the course progress by typing the course name in the search bar. We can reset the user progress by typing the username here. And we can reset the particular user and for the particular lesson or quiz progress. And the cache. We can enable or disable Learnpress cache here. When it is enabled, the content will be cached when the course accessed by the student on the first time. It will not be changed until the cache is cleared. For example, we have uploaded some content in the course, but course is not showing the content. Then we can come here and flush the cache by clicking on the clear cache button. That's our Learnpress site is ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.